Hey everybody, this is Michelle with Creative Operation, and I'm here today to share with you another unboxing from a package from Your Creative Studio. And you can see that I have already taken it out of the box because this is my second take at trying to do this video. So I always get tongue-tied the first time. I never, ever get one video done and do it in like one take. I never do it. So we're going to try this again. I've only looked at one thing, but we're going to go back and look through it again, and we'll look through everything else. So it was wrapped up real pretty, just like it always is, and I got another beautiful thank you card that I can incorporate into my projects. We've got the beautiful paper here that I've incorporated into projects, and I'm going to save that. I tried to save as much as I could so I can do that. And then I already opened this up, and the first thing we got here was this swatch of papers, and it's beautifully held together with this nice piece of leather. And there are quotes, and it's just a book of strips of beautiful papers that I'm going to be able to add to my projects. And there's some really great quotes in here. Just gorgeous, just gorgeous. I think these are going to be beautiful incorporated into, you know, projects, which is fun. I haven't seen anything like this before, and I'm real excited to be able to use these. This one says, "My heart, the bird of the wilderness, has found its sky in your eyes." That's gorgeous. Oh, I love it. So that's going to be really pretty to incorporate. I'm pretty excited about that. So this came in this package here, and just really nice. So that was the only thing I looked at because remember what I said, this is take two. And this one is actually, and I don't know if I mentioned this or not, this one's called Fall, and I think it's absolutely, when I opened it up, I was just like, oh my goodness. So this one's called the Loft Book Collection Series Times Clippings, and it says Candy Poetry on the back. So let's open this up. This is, I think, going to be super pretty as well. So it's wrapped with a nice string, and it looks like they're loose. So I'm just going to kind of, yep, it is loose. And I'm going to pop this open. There we go, like that. And here are, I love these papers that are, you know, like newsprint. And there are many of the same kind, but you have a whole bunch of different ones. Our Halloween party, love that. That's very cool for the fall. Really nice. These are really nice. They seem they're on the thinner side, but they're still pretty thick. So let's kind of go through. I'll show you. You get several of each one, which is really nice. New York Times here. I need a magnifying glass. I need to read these things. I just think they're so cool. And I love the colors too. Oh, look at that. Isn't that cute? So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like 5 of each one. So that's super awesome. Awesome. Look at that. Just gorgeous papers. So newspapers, and they have it wrapped up, and it looked like a little book when you open it up. So that's really awesome. So let's look at this. This one here. Take it out. Beautiful floral things called Cottage Garden. It says there's 60 pieces in here, and you get lots of nice papers in here. Couple of each one, it looks like. These are great for like collaging, which I did on my last project. I kind of collaged papers together using some score tape, and I made a cover. And it's a collage or patchwork paper or masterboard, I've heard it called. I kind of did that kind of thing. Look at the pretty papers. Those are gorgeous. I love the blues in there. That's absolutely pretty. That would be really nice. It'll be a great pop of color for that, I think. Here we have Sticker Fun. That's what it says, Sticker Fun. And it looks like a bunch of different floral wreaths. And what does it say? 32 pieces. So, ooh, and they are serious about their packaging on this one. It's double wrapped. So let's open these up. These are tiny, but they're going to be awesome to incorporate into, oh, look at how pretty that is. Little washi tape stickers. How gorgeous. Oh, and here's one. Here's a garland. That looks Christmassy to me. That's fun. And there's little roses. That's super pretty. So you get a couple of each of the designs. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful pieces. Can you see all that? That's gorgeous. Excuse my inky hands. I've been playing today. So that's pretty. So we've got stickers there. And here we have, this says, I like this too because the packaging, you can use that in your projects too. So it's a postcard here, and it looks like we have stamps inside. So on the back, it says we have 46 of them. So lots of pretty stamps to play with. I'll kind of go through these real quick. These are so pretty. Look at how pretty they are. Oh, look at the flowers. Beautiful. I love these stamps. I spent some time making some faux stamps the other night as I was just kind of sitting here using up some scraps. Now I don't need to, because now look at all the pretty stamps I've got. So pretty. Look at how beautiful those are. I love the colors. Ooh, that one's cool. Beautiful, beautiful. I love those. Oh, these are gorgeous. These are really pretty. So those are really awesome. I love that. Okay, and then again, you can use that and put that on, you know, in your project too. So, you know, waste not, want not, right, guys? So what is this? This says Mushroom Jungle on it, on the tag. And the tag is really pretty too. Can you see that? So you can even totally use that. It says Mushroom Jungle on it. Let's see what's in here. Let's see what's in here. Got to unwrap it first. Let me get it out. It says, I think that means 60 pieces, right? So let's untie this and see what we get. So we got a nice big old piece of twine. So you can use that in your projects as well. You can use your envelope in your projects. I love that part. Let's see what's in here. So we have, oh, look at these torn papers. So, oh my goodness, it looks like you get 3 of each. And this one has beautiful mushrooms on it. So they look like letters, and they look like they're torn and maybe burnt. And they're just beautiful. And it looks like you get 3 of each one. So that's really nice. And so now I know why they called it, what did they call it? Mushroom Jungle. Because we have lots of mushrooms in these pieces. Looks like a stamp that's been ripped. Ooh, that's going to be fun to collage with, won't, right? Make a master board and stuff and make some papers. Oh, this is going to be really pretty. I love this. Nice. Pretty, pretty, pretty. We got some more florals back here. Oh, and look at this. You could even cut these pieces out. Definitely. Some more stamp-looking pieces. These are really pretty. I like these. Nice. So I like this. This is going to be fun to play with. So you could even, you know, punch those out. And these papers are kind of thin as well. You could collage with them really easy, that's for sure. And then I could also do like I've done before and back them with my coffee dyed papers, and then that'll thicken them up a little bit, and then you can use them for tags too, especially these bigger ones. So I like that. That's fun. So we got stickers here. So these are translucent stickers of leaves. That's fun to use. I like using those. Have our rice paper here. Very beautiful. I'm not going to take it out of the package because I'll ruin it, because I always do. I don't take it out anymore until I am going to use them, because I don't want to rip them, but they're just gorgeous. Look at those colors. They're just gorgeous. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, I haven't seen these before. Rub-on transfers. That's cool. Oh, and it even comes with a little tool and how to use them. Oh, that's awesome. That's very cool. Let's see what these look like. Ooh, I'm excited. I haven't seen that in the kits yet, so that's awesome. Look at that. I love the colors. Oh, they're so pretty. So you get 3 sheets, and they're all different. Look at that. This is gorgeous. So you guys, this is the fall set, and I'm already super in love with it. Paper ephemera. So let's look in here. These are large papers. Totally digging that. Let's see what we've got in here. Oh, so pretty. So I'll just kind of quickly go through. These are going to be great too. You can use these as a starter point For your pages, you could fold these into pockets. Look at the colors. They're gorgeous. I love this. Oh, some are vellum. Nice. These are vellum. Very pretty. Yep, this is a beautiful fall collection. I'm going to have fun playing with these, I can tell. So it's more vellum. Lots of vellum. Nice. Oh, this is a textured one too. So these papers are thicker. They have a texture on them. You can see it, but that's how it feels too. It's just gorgeous. A little bit thicker. That's going to be super nice. You know what? These would be cute. These would be cute and make little booklets to put in a journal. These would be great covers. Yep, yep, yep. More papers. These feel like sticker paper. And I believe, yep, they are. So these are stickers. Giant sticker pages. So that's awesome to have to play with too, right? Very nice. I love that. So nice pack of paper ephemera. I love it. That's gorgeous. Okay, so now we have a stamp in here, and I have a feeling I'm going to love it. Let's open this up. This looks like a lantern on a table with a pumpkin. And, you know, I love the stamps. I'm not a great stamper. I'm learning, but these stamps are just, they have great detail. So in here we have 3 stamps. We have leaves, 2 leaves, and we have the candle on the table with the pumpkin. That is going to be absolutely gorgeous. So 3 stamps in this kit, or in this package. And save your envelopes because you can use those. Ooh, washi tape. You gotta love the washi tape. I do. I just blew it. Ripped my envelope. That sticker is sticky. That's gorgeous. So that's a nice fall themed washi tape. That's beautiful. I love that. So you have that. And then last but definitely not least, we have one more stamp here. It looks like it's a wreath. And it is. These are gorgeous. Look at that wreath. Isn't that beautiful? So I guess it goes like that. Yeah. Isn't that beautiful? The detail in these stamps are just, it's just gorgeous. So I'm really excited about that too. So I'm going to have fun playing with that. So y'all, this is awesome. So you get in this fall kit, it's number 9 fall, and you get all of this beautiful stuff. You get your papers, you get all kinds of papers in here. You got a whole tablet of newsprint. These fun pieces that are going to be really great to incorporate into your pages, making nice borders and everything. You got washi, you've got collage papers. We've got washi wreath stickers that are just absolutely, look at them. How pretty are they? Stamps, rub-ons. I'm super excited about that. So y'all, this is my unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. Go check out Your Creative Studio, and I can't wait to play with all this. So I just wanted to share. So have a great day, and I'll see you again soon with more videos. Talk to you later. Bye.